Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I will talk about how to delete the data from the beginning of the linked list, right? So previously I spoke about how to insert the data at the beginning, at the end and at the position. Now we'll see that how we can remove that. So removing the data from the beginning of the linked list is very simple. So let me construct one linked list and then I will explain you how we can do that. So let's say we have one singly linked list which has three node connected to each other. Okay, this is the first node which has a data and the address of second node. Assume that it is 100, which means 100 is going to be the address of the next node. 7, 200, which means the 200 is going to be the address of the third node, right? And the last node, you know that it will always point to null, and the first node is always a head node. Okay, so head will always point to the first node. So here guys, when we see this address, when we see address is equal to 100, what does mean by that? So the one node is nothing but its object will have a data and address of the second node. So when we say this node as an object, every object will have an address in the memory, right? So assume that this object address is equal to 100, right? So assume that this object address is equal to 100 and this 100 will be stored into a first node. So first node, what you have, data and pointer of the second node. Similarly, the second node will have a data and pointer of the third node. So this is 200 is also address of the third node, and the last node will always point to null in the singly linked list, even in the doubly except circular. So and the first the first node is the head node. So we have to remove from here, right? So logically what we have to do here is we need to cut the connection. Okay, we need to cut the connections of this guy, right? And your this guy head should point here. So we have to think in that way. Okay, so how to convert this into a logic? So to convert this into a logic, first what you do is uh, create one temp node. Okay, so I'm creating one temporary variable and I will store head in this. Okay, head in this. Then I have to make sure that head is not null. So I need to make sure that my given linked list is not empty. Okay, and this every checks and balances we have to do in the code. So here you can see that because I have created this linked list, you are able to see that in general, let's say you have a method which accept singly linked list as an argument. You don't know how many records you will get when the caller will call that method, right? So we need to put this into a condition. So what we can do here is we can just write one condition here. If we can write if temp not is equal to null, right? If this guy is not null, then what I will do, I will shift the head. So I will do head is equal to temp dot get next, right? So this way what happens is your head will automatically will point here. Now what about your first node? What about your temp node? So what we have to do here is we have to set this to the null. Simple. So what you do, you make sure that this will be get collected by the garbage collector. So you set to null. So temp dot, you do set next is the method and set to null, right? So this way what happened, you have done two things here guys. One is you have changed your head, and the second is whatever temp node where you have stored the previous head node, which you set to the null, which means now this guy will be collected by the garbage collector and your head will get shifted here, right? So that's how we can remove the node from the beginning of the linked list. The same thing, uh, I have given the code reference also. So in the same video, in the description box, uh, I will share the code link, right? So first try to write your code. When you find issue, when you are not able to remove that, then only refer my code, because if you don't write your own, you will not get confidence, right? With this, I'll close the video. In next video, I will see that some more concept. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this.